Hi there, welcome back to Trinity Stamps. Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Blossom Mini Slimline die. You can see this 3x6 die right here. It's going to die cut this intricate pattern as well as a embossed line in the border around it. Here I've die cut it from white, and I'm going to use some little dots of glue to glue this on to a background I previously created that's a little bit busy, but with this white die cut on top, I think it looks fabulous. I also added some glitter glue to the openings that are circles on here for a fun technique. Also, I have another background I'm not crazy about, so I thought I would die cut it out with this die, and it looks great die cut from some colored paper or a background like this. Also, because there are the etched lines, you have a bigger border on this die. So you can easily trim off some of the border, and now you're able to layer this onto another piece and have two different colors of layers. I love that you have the option to make this a little bit smaller, but still have that cover plate look for your card. I also love a cover plate die cut from metallic cardstock. Now let's take a look at the finished card I made using that very first background with the glitter in the little circles. All you really need is a sentiment on this backdrop and you have a complete card. So I love that it lets us create quick and easy cards. Here, Jenny did some coloring behind the die cut and just added the word mom. Cassie showed us what it looks like with glitter paper on front and behind. And then Emily showed us all you need is something pretty on top of this background and you have a card ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some inspiration in today's video. Come find us on Instagram and Facebook too. Bye.